Hey everyone, Screenpipe 2.51 is out. I'm going to tell you what's new there. So first, iMessage and voice memo pipe, some iPhone features that allows you to synchronize what you receive on your iPhone to your Mac or your Screenpipe devices. We launched 2 AI models that you can use for free, unlimited with your pipes, so you can just automate everything in your life. Parakeet, it's a new transcription engine that runs on the Apple MLX framework. So it means it's very efficient, very high quality, use very little resources. It's much faster, 8 times faster than the previous model we used, Whisper. We also have, as you can see, this native Apple native animation and overlay that display when you're in your conversation, when it's scanning your screen, or some shortcuts you can see here. You can also start a meeting. Fun. And pipes can send you notifications with links and some meeting improvement, usage dashboard, DRM. So it's like Netflix. If you want to watch Netflix while running Screenpipe, it would cause some issues in the past, and now it's going to work. We did some improvements in the Screenpipe CLI and live execution, a bunch of other things. I'm going to show some of the things here. We fixed some bugs in the chat that you might have sometime, like that it would stop answering or something like this. And so you can, as you can see, the new models. So if you go there, you can see auto is like, it's going to guarantee that it will use the smartest model available for free. And you can also pick some other models like GLM5 and other models that are actually as good as like Opus 4.6. And you also have Quent 3.5 Flash, Dipstick, and other models. So we support this new model for transcription, which is really incredible, both on Windows, Linux, and macOS. And this is a preview feature, workflow events, that will allow you to define in natural language how pipes are triggered. Literally, you can say, when I watch a LinkedIn profile and switch to Obsidian, for example, as like an event trigger, it will be used to trigger your pipe. And so like this, you can have more control over like when pipes are triggered. Under the hood, we fine-tuned an open source model on Screenpipe data to do this. It's more than 90% accuracy. You use this usage view where you can see all the models you used, the DRM feature, applying mods we saw before, and this is like new retention policy. And now you can, if you look here, you can create multiple connections. For example, for Notion, you can create, so like, let's say you have multiple databases in Notion, and like me, I have a pipe that every time I have a conversation with someone, it will update a CRM database in Notion, and also have another pipe that keep track of like the features that people want in Notion. So it's 2 different databases. So I have the 2 connections, and you can do the same with other things, like if you have 2 Obsidian Bolt, or other things like Telegram or WhatsApp, for example. And so this is like the settings. Change a bit like the UI of pipes to make it more here. And so as you can see, we can see the pipe history, and you can see like the open in the chat. We have new pipes here, such as this Notion CRM. This one will send you a notification when it's finding like relevant like Reddit post for you. And it's a feature in private beta that allows you to deploy Screenpipe to all your devices very easily, either as like desktop app, command line, and you can control and deploy pipes to all your devices. So they can leverage what you are working on to work for you all the time at night. Just automate everything in your life. That's it. If you have any feature requests, just send me a message, and I will work on it. Bye bye.